Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change language in vivo Y15s phone. Guys, you want to change language guys, like example for guys, you can see in my phone guys, everything is in Hindi, but you guys, you want in English any another language, so you can change it. In this video guys, I will show you language change setting in vivo Y15s phone. So let's see. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change language, then guys scroll it guys, and guys come on system setting, this system guys, and guys click on guys this fourth one guys, bhasha and input. Then guys click on first one, bhasha, and guys you want to add language, so you can add language from here. And guys we have this English one, so we will change here in English. So guys press it and guys do like that. So now after 4 and 3 seconds guys, everything will be in English. So now let's see. So language has changed in our vivo Y15s phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change language in vivo Y15s phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.